Welcome to this in-depth review of the Abanca Visa Click credit card. I've been using this card for several months, and in this video, I'll walk you through every aspect of it so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. The Abanca Visa Clip is marketed as an ideal starter credit card with zero issuance fees, flexible repayment options, and a relatively simple approval process, especially for younger users or those new to credit in Spain. Starting with the application process, it's relatively straightforward. You can apply through the Abanca website or mobile app. The bank doesn't require a deep credit history, but if you're not already a customer, expect to go through a KYC process involving digital ID verification. The response time is quick, within 24 to 48 hours in most cases. Once approved, the card limit starts off quite low, typically around €300 to €600. That's not ideal for heavy spenders, but it can be sufficient if you're trying to build credit or use it occasionally. One of the card's strong points is its lack of an annual fee, which is rare even among student-oriented cards in Spain. However, the low limit can be restrictive, and it takes a while before you're eligible for an increase, even with responsible use. Now, in terms of actual usage, the Visa Clip works like any standard credit card. It's accepted across Spain and internationally. It's contactless and works with Google Pay and Apple Pay, which makes it convenient for digital-first users. The real benefit here is the cashback program. While it isn't aggressive, it offers up to 4% cashback at specific partner stores, like Repsol and Amazon, when activated through the app. Still, you won't find rotating categories or high cashbacks like in some cards outside the EU. Many useful links you can find in the description. The mobile app from Abanca is a major highlight. It's clean, intuitive, and lets you freeze the card, check balances, set up payment limits, and pay off your balance early if you wish. However, customer support is hit or miss. If you encounter issues, the wait times via phone or chat can be long, and sometimes the agents redirect you multiple times before resolving anything. That's something to keep in mind if you value quick support. Regarding repayments, you can set it to charge the full balance at the end of the month or opt for installment payments. The latter comes with high interest, over 20% APR, so unless you're in a tight spot, always go for the full monthly charge. Another downside is that card statements can be confusing at first. The terminology isn't as clear as it could be, especially when it comes to pinning charges versus cleared ones. Security-wise, the card includes basic fraud alerts, SMS confirmations for large transactions, and quick deactivation options. However, unlike some premium cards, it lacks additional purchase protection or travel insurance. You'll need to supplement those with separate services if that's a concern. One more thing worth mentioning is that while the Abanca Visa Clip is decent for use in Spain, using it abroad, especially outside the Eurozone, comes with foreign transaction fees. This makes it less ideal for frequent international travelers. To wrap things up, the Abanca Visa Clip credit card is a solid option if you're looking for a no-fee entry-level card to build your credit or use for controlled monthly spending. It's not a premium option, and it definitely comes with limitations, especially on the credit limit and customer service side. But if you stay on top of your payments and mainly use it within Spain, it can be a very useful financial tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and financial tips.